Join us on a journey in Africa, and we will teach you sustainable conservation and veterinary practices.
Television documentaries following explorers and researchers on their adventures into nature has captured the imagination of viewers. Our founder, Professor Wouter van Hoven, is passionate about nature conservation. Hence his decision to open up the in-depth, up-close and behind-the-scenes world of conservation in South Africa to wildlife lovers of all ages on a 14-day journey.
I would like to introduce you to my world of wildlife management, the people involved in game capture, animal rehabilitation, community outreach projects, reptile and bird conservation, as well as reserve management. And that will unlock a whole new perspective of everyday life in the African bush.
Amazing. That's been one of the best experiences of my life. It was so amazing. It was so much fun. Absolutely incredible.
Nothing beats first-hand experience. You will be pleasantly surprised what you will gain when you actually enter our world and the paradigm shift happening regarding rhino and elephant conservation. You will engage with experts on present-day challenges, such as the effect of climate change on African wildlife.
In addition to your expedition fee, all you need to get is your airplane ticket. Accommodation on this expedition is comfortable bush lodges with all meals included, no camping. Transport is aboard our comfortable safari vehicles, and all meals and non-alcoholic beverages are included, as well as permits and entry fees. For scheduled departures, visit our website, and for more information, email us or fill out the form on the website. We look forward to welcome you in sunny South Africa.